In this video, let me show you how to fix Discord emoji not showing. Now, if you're having this issue within the mobile application, this could be likely happening due to your mobile client blocking the emojis in order to save your data. So what you can do is within your profile, head over to settings. Within settings, scroll down within app settings. Right here, head over to chat and make sure that within emojis, the show emoji reaction as well as automatically convert emoticons into your message to emojis is also enabled. If this option was enabled or toggled off for you, this is the exact issue that you're facing. But however, if this is not the case for you, then what you can try out is just try to clear the app cache of the Discord application. Simply tap and hold it, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache. Now, even after trying both of these solutions, you're still having issues, then what you can lastly do is just reinstall the application of Discord onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.